So Mike Pettiford here. We're here today to talk about one of my favorite sponsors, Flatirons Tuning. If you've got a Subaru, you gotta call them because John and Scotty, between the two of them, they know just about everything about Subarus. And they helped me when we were making the Spec B from just a regular Spec B to a Super Spec B, and they can get you all the parts. They've done it all before, so you know, if you're going to try to make a bad decision, they can probably talk you off the roof and say, we tried that, it didn't work, you probably want to do this and you'll save money. So follow me inside, and not only did they help me with this car, they also helped me with my Focus RS. They don't normally do that, but they like me a lot, so they decided to do it. And this one, it's got a lot more horsepower than it did before. It works absolutely great. So if you see this silly little sticker on cars, you know that they have had a hand in helping out with making that car faster, and it's probably going to be faster than it would have been normally. So check out Flatirons Tuning on the bottom of your screen and talk to them. Go for it.